Standard 8 Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 5 Concepts of Database Field and Records. Rules for naming the fields. Students, you should follow the rules while naming a field in a table. Rules are: first, the field name should not be more than 64 characters. Second, the field name can include lowercase, uppercase, or mixed case letters, numbers, and an underscore. Third, it cannot have a full stop, exclamation mark, or square brackets. Fourth, it cannot start with a blank space. Remember, students. Entering data in a table. The next step after defining the table structure is to add field name to the table. To add the field names, follow the steps. First one step, click the table where the data has to be entered. Second step, on the Home tab in the Views group, click the View drop down arrow. Third, select Design View option from the drop down menu. Table opens in the Design View. Fourth, enter the field name. Fifth, press the Tab key to move to the Data Type column. Sixth, click on the drop down arrow in the Data Type column and select a data type. Seventh, similarly enter other field names and their data types. Now students, we understand what is the data types. Understanding field data types. A data type refers to the type of data which can be stored in a column of a table. Now, type and data stored. Short text, alphabets and numbers up to 255 characters you can enter. Long text or memo, letters and numbers up to 65535 character, at least 1 GB used for remarks. Number means you just enter only numbers, not letters, not alphabet. Date and time, you can insert date and time data. Currency data. Auto number means automatically generated number. Example number list 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Yes or no, logical values. Yes or otherwise no. Hyperlink, used to store hyperlink, for example http://publications.com. Okay. OLE object, used to attach an OLE object, object linking and embedding, objects such as a Word documents, Excel worksheet or PowerPoint presentation. You can attach all these three applications in your Access. Setting the primary key. Students, each table must have only one column set as a primary key. The primary key is a unique identifier for a record. This field can never be blank. Okay, students? The primary key is a unique value for that column. Hence, it cannot be the same for two records. Example: patient ID, doctor ID, student ID are primary keys because students, ID is always different, not the same. Okay, same entry cannot be accepted by the primary key. This is because in each table, these fields will have a unique number. To set a field as a primary key, follow the steps. Step 1. Click on the field which you want to make the primary key. Okay. Second, on the Design tab in the Tools group, click the Primary Key button. The primary key is visible only in Design view. Observe a small key icon before the name of the field. This indicates the presence of the primary key in that field. And third, save the table. Inserting data. Once the data type of columns are set, then you are ready to enter the records. To enter records to a table, open the table in datasheet view. It is the default view of a table. It shows the records and allow you to add, or otherwise you can modify the records in a table. Now, to insert record in a table, first step, on the design tab in the views group, click the view drop down arrow. Okay students, step 2, select from that datasheet view. The table opens in the datasheet view. Third, enter the value in the field. Press the tab key to enter a value in the field. Similarly, enter data in the remaining fields. To switch between the views of a table, the datasheet view is used to view, add, delete and edit data in a table. After a table is opened, one can easily switch between the two views, datasheet view or design view, by clicking the view group on the design tab. Now student, the design view is used to create and modify the structure of a table. Thank you.